Wooden blinds are a great way of precisely controlling the amount of light entering any room in your home, and they add a touch of style and luxury to any window. Our natural real wooden slats come from ecologically managed and sustainable forests and are treated to avoid warping and cracking. Infinitely controllable and effortlessly stylish, these wooden blinds are perfect for rooms that have light levels that would change at different times throughout the year. They have both an up and down state, as well as an individual angle or pitch to the slats, which makes controlling not only the amount of light but also the direction of light coming into the room far more precise. Our blinds are available in a huge range of colours and stains, and they're all perfectly tailored to fit any room around your house. Whether you're looking for a neutral, functional blind or something a little bit more stylish to add a design statement to any room. The blinds are reliable, hard-wearing and easy to clean, making them perfect for your busy home. In fact, we're so proud of our blinds, they're going to come to you with a 3-year guarantee as standard. All of our blinds come supplied with every mounting bracket that you'll need and are child-safe by design, tested to meet the regulations as outlined in the British and European safety standards. All you have to remember are the screws and wall plugs suitable for the surface that you'll be attaching your blind to. When you've selected the style of blind you want, don't forget to watch our measuring and fitting videos to help you with ordering and fitting your brand new blind.